In this video, I'll show you how to get the best out of MusicLM. MusicLM is an experimental technology from Google that turns text prompts into high-fidelity music. It really is quite stunning. What I've realized over time of testing this out now for a while is that you can generate a good prompt and it even tells you how. Be very descriptive, electronic or classical instrument sounds best, mention the vibe, mood or emotion you want to create, and of course queries with artists or that include vocals will not be generated. So how can we do that really well? Using AI, of course, to design the prompt for us. So I've been using Google Bard to generate some pretty good prompts. I just said I want to generate an amazing dance track, trance music specifically, and then I gave all of the instructions to Google Bard and it generated me this fantastic prompt, which came up with this, which is actually pretty good. So I figured if Bard can generate some cool prompts, let's really go for this and try a few more. So I thought, well, okay, I'm going to copy and paste the instructions here. And again, I'm prompting it like this. I'm saying I'd like to generate a classic rock guitar track, generate a prompt for a model generating high-fidelity music, or high-fidelity music, I should say, from text descriptions following these rules. And these are the rules that MusicLM mentions itself. So let's do that. Let's get that prompt back from Google Bard and we'll paste it in. Okay, generate a classic rock guitar track with a heavy metal vibe. The track should start slow with a heavy riff that builds instantly. This is really good. And I mean, it's very descriptive. Let's copy quite a lot of that, paste that into MusicLM, and we'll generate that classic rock into heavy metal track and see what comes back. And we've got track 2. So there you go. Another thing I've been using Bard for is to generate music in the style of an artist, like for instance Katy Perry, but I've said without mentioning her name in the prompt. So again, I put this into Google Bard, see what comes back as a prompt, and it's going to give me, generate a pop track with a fun, upbeat vibe. So something very much in the style of something Katy Perry would make, but without using her name. So let's paste that in and see what comes back and how closely it will match her style of music. I'm not buying track 1. You know, track 2 is okay, but what if we prompt in a different way? What if we ask Bard to come back with something for Bon Jovi? Here we go, generate a track in the style of Bon Jovi. Again, using this to not mention Bon Jovi, as MusicLM won't generate that. Here we go, generate a rock track with a soaring anthemic chorus. Oh, that's fantastic. So copy this, paste it over here, and let's generate and see what comes back. And of course, I'm only copying part of the prompt here. I could go on and on. Hey, it's not too bad. And track 2. Well, this is good. Feels like a bit of vocal was trying to break through there too. Very cool. Okay. I'm a big Armin van Buuren fan, so generate a track in the style of Armin van Buuren. Let's generate that prompt here over in Bard. And here we go. Immediately it's saying generate a trance track with a euphoric, uplifting vibe. Fantastic. Let's copy that first part of the prompt, paste it into MusicLM, and see what comes back. Little dark, track 1. But pretty decent. The start of something decent that you could build on. Track 2. Not too bad at all. And of course we can do the same. We can prompt Bard to throw us back a prompt for classical piano music. So let's do that. And throw this over into MusicLM. Here we go. A relaxing piece of classical piano music that evokes a sense of peace and tranquility. That sounds perfect. So let's see again if I paste that prompt into MusicLM. This is nice. Beautiful. And we'll go to track 2. So there you go. As you can see, using Google Bard to assist you as an AI to create the perfect prompt, you can actually get more and more amazing results out of MusicLM. And of course, we're just in the early stages of this, so I know with time, this technology is going to get better and better.